Hello guys, so I decided to buy a new headset which I ordered from Jumia, and this is how to still keep me focused when I'm in the midst of crowd. Yeah, so let's unbox it, then let's find out what is inside. So this is the Lenovo XT60 Bluetooth headset that I ordered. Let's unwrap it and let's find out what is in there. I ordered this last week and it is already in. Let me see how I can get this thing off this. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's not bad. Here, this looks nice. I've already seen a white button, but I knew it's supposed to be Lenovo, but let's see what we got. Eraser. Okay, this is what we are getting, eraser, but it's supposed to be a Lenovo XT60. Okay, so let's see what is in there. But I can see Lenovo written somewhere. This over here, invested by Lenovo, but I was expecting to see Lenovo written on it. So let's see what is inside here. Okay, so these are the rubber tips. And this is the charger, and this is the main device. So this is Eraser. Okay, but I saw Lenovo on what is on the website. Okay, so this is it. It's quite heavy. Okay, and it's cool though, but I thought it was Lenovo because from the website image that I got, it was actually Lenovo, not Eraser. Okay, so I'll connect it, then we see how it sounds. Okay, so let me just connect one. Let me on it first. Let me see how it will sound. This is the button for the open. Let me check if it is even charged. Alright, so I'll connect a power source to it. I'll use my laptop to connect it. Ideally, this is not supposed to be so. Okay, if you use the main electricity source, not power from your computer, that can kill the battery. Currently, there's nothing on, but let me quickly drop my charger. Then you try it out. Alright, so the cord is already connected to my laptop, so I'll just wait for the laptop to boot, then I'll connect it. Alright, so let's plug in the charger now and see how it will work. So it's showing 0 here, and let me put in one of, let me see how it will charge. So currently it's on low battery, so I'll put it on charge for a while, then you take it back again. Okay, so I'm able to charge the headset to full battery. When I moved it was 100%, and I tried connecting to my phone. Okay, it connected successfully. Yes, the sound was okay, even though, as I said earlier, this was not what I was expecting. I was expecting to see Lenovo branded on it. Okay, the texture feels good, so that it's not slippery. You can just hold it in your hand. And also the manual too, they also stated how it's supposed to be used. One feature to like about this device is that it is magnetic. Okay, mean that the two won't fall from the case. Okay, and they also provided some manual here to be followed. Yeah, so it's not different from the other headsets. Okay, so yeah, so this was what I got from this. Okay, sometimes you order something from Jumia and they don't bring exactly what you actually ordered for. Yeah, so even on the case, I can see the Lenovo, and you can see the Lenovo XT60 Bluetooth headset. Okay, but when it came later on, it turned out to be a different device. Okay, so here you can see the Erazer wireless earbud XT60 Pro, which is different from what was online, but the root here invested by Lenovo. Okay, so I researched on the Eraser and I realized it's a sub brand under the Lenovo brand. Okay, so it's the same, however, just that the Lenovo was not branded on the device as it has been branded over here. Okay, so here it costs 156 Ghana cedis before the shipping fee, which is 16 Ghana cedis. However, when I checked the Istari website, where you can also purchase some, this is a bit higher, but here they actually indicated the brand, which is the Eraser on the actual mockups. Okay, there's that their price is a bit higher, which is 399 Ghana cedis with the Eraser on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you're interested to buy these gadgets, I have the link below. Okay, but I'll show you also getting similar thing. Yes, so thank you for watching this video once again. If it's your first time here, kindly subscribe, share and like this video. Till I see you again, stay blessed.